Montreal Steppers offer an incredible and unique opportunity of teaching students how to use their bodies to create music. Through hand claps, foot stomps, chants, and spoken word, this art form is incredibly dynamic. Students get a chance to learn to create music and express themselves through stepping with their peers, helping to build teamwork and confidence and self-expression. We are guaranteed to always have an incredible time when we come together to learn how to step. We are so thankful for the opportunity that we get to share this incredible art form with participants. They learn how to use their bodies to create music. Stomps, claps, chants, spoken word. Often they leave the classroom chanting, stomping, sharing with their friends and with their families. We are so excited that we can share this part of our history with so many participants. It always guarantees incredible fun, incredible learning, and always ensures that there is a place for dance in every aspect, including the classroom.